Great evening.
Uh, Let me first tell you the topic of this video. The topic of this video is mood before the results.
Okay.
Interview with Charlton Stan. You are one of the candidates among the 17 lakh candidates who appeared SSC board exams in March 2020. The difference between this lot of candidates who appeared in March 2020 and all other years is you have to wait for 4 months for your results, which is tomorrow. Right? Now, my interview with you, my questions to you are of two types. One is based on what happened after 9th vacations till.
Sorry.
Huh?
Frankly speaking, there were no ninth vacations for us.
Okay,
The last vacation we all had was after 8th grade.
okay.
So now I'm combining my 10th and 9th vacations in this lockdown.
Oh, correct, yes. Unlike every year, after your 9th, you did not have any vacations because you started your 10th standard studies immediately. Correct.
Chapter-wise test.
Yeah, correct. That was in March. We finished our 9th standard exam by Feb, and March you rolled out with your 10th standard studies. Okay, so you had 12 long months of preparation, you mean, and the vacation after your 9th and 10th you had a club together, the long vacations now. Okay, so my questions are, what happened, I'll correct myself, what happened after your 9th exams till your last day of SC paper, that is that 12 months? My questions are based on those 12 months, and second lot of questions are what happened after the last day of paper till today. Today I believe is the first day, I know the first day when you really walked out of the bungalow and come to the office.
Yes.
You've never been out of your house for 4 months and 8 days. Almost 130 days of lockdown time. So my questions are what happened in those 130 days? How did you utilize your time, etc. would be my second lot of questions. Right? So let me start with the first question. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. My first question is, Charlton, what do you miss today? What are things that you miss today in the lockdown time?
I miss my normal life.
Okay.
I miss coming to school, climbing the stairs, sitting in the classroom with everybody. I miss going to theatre, eating the outside food, gupchup with friends. I miss the atmosphere.
Okay. So you miss your normal life. Normal life means gupshup with friends, eating out, going to the malls, theatres, climbing stairs, being in SKC. All that you miss.
Another thing is now I just came here and suddenly a tremendous power is flowing through me. I don't know why, but as you come to the school, you get the mindset of working.
So you got that energy today suddenly.
Yes.
Lovely. So Charlton says he misses his normal life, he misses his SKC life. Right? Do you miss 8 to 8?
Yes, a lot.
Okay. How many years were you part of 8 to 8?
6 years.
So last 6 years, right from morning 8 o'clock to evening 8 o'clock, you were in this campus
Yes.
all the time.
Yes.
And you had no vacations because vacations we were running the school,
Conducting
some activities. This is the only time when you were locked down at home for the past 4 months in the last 6 years, you mean?
Yes.
Oh, that's okay. My next question to you is, Charlton, how did you spend your last 130 days being locked down? What all activities did you do? What did you do in the last 130 days?
I watched lots of movies on Netflix, Prime Video, Hotstar,
Okay.
and then I even had to hear the news you were hearing, all that Corona count. Then for 2 days there was Nisarga, all that.
Okay, so means I was watching the news and you had to listen to them. That's what you mean. You were not interested in the news.
I was a silent listener.
Listener or silent victim?
Victim. Yes.
Okay, even let me tell the audience, I got bugged up with the news at one time and after the Nisar part, and then I left hearing the news.
Yes.
Okay, then what else did you do?
Then I used a lot of mobile. I used Google Chacha to Google all the streams, all the subjects I had. I even browsed the books under your guidance. I browsed all the books, all the subjects, all the contexts like in science, physics, chemistry, biology. And in commerce, there were subjects which I did not know till now.
Okay,
There were SP, OC, BK,
okay.
All that were very
You
good.
never heard of this subject before.
Yes.
Okay. So you went through the books
Yes.
and the topics.
Yes.
Did you made a note down of the topics?
Yes. In this book,
How many pages did you write?
15, 20. More than that actually.
Okay. So what you wrote down all the topics?
All the topics, and I even underlined the topics which were present in 10th grade.
Okay. So those topics which have a connection in 10 you underline.
Yes.
Okay. What other type of books did you refer to of 11th standard?
Avanti practice book, then the normal test book,
Okay. And in the commerce section?
the same books.
Okay. So you had those books at your disposal and you went through them.
Yes.
Okay. Did you go through them all at once?
No,
Then
I took one book for one day.
a book for a day and you went through.
Yes.
And whom were you sharing with?
You and
Me and mom. Okay, because your mom, his mom is from the commerce stream and I am from science stream. So he had best of both the worlds to give him the idea, fair idea about what is good and what is not good.
I even had lots of courses.
Okay.
So initially
No,
I-
but before the courses, let me ask you. Did you not decide which stream to take up before going to the books?
For the past 4 years, I was deciding on science,
Then why did you look at commerce books?
but I didn't want to take the decision blindly.
Okay.
So after reading both science and commerce, now I'm very happy that I'm taking an informed decision.
So what is the information? Which stream do you want to take?
Science.
So you decided now science.
Yes.
So having seen the books of science and commerce, you feel science is your subject?
Yes, which makes me more happy to take science.
Okay. But as far as I know, your aim is to become an artist, a star. Right? You're going to perform in movies. Then why science?
You see, I cannot rely my entire potential on the artist thing. I want to have a very great business on the side,
Okay.
like you have.
Okay. So you want to also create a business and you want to become an
So the-
entrepreneur.
yes, so the art of constructing a school, the
Okay.
system that revolves around it, the
Okay.
teachers,
Okay.
that's why.
So that's why you want science. You feel science will help you in that?
Yes.
Okay. So you told me, how did you spend your vacation? You told me you saw a lot of movies, you pampered yourself, you browsed through the mobile, you went through the books. What else?
Also, there were courses.
Okay, so what courses
So
did you do?
initially, for a month, I was busy with the Avanti Zoom classes
Okay, for one the Zoom classes based on for
for 11th.
11th, which commerce or science?
Science talk.
So science topics you did your the Zoom class for a month.
Yes.
Okay.
After that, I was busy with the homework of my other classes.
Okay.
So there were coding classes.
Okay.
So now I know how to design a game.
So you reached so far with coding that you can also design a game already?
Yes.
Have you designed any game now?
Yes, I have designed 2 games:
Okay.
the Pong game
Okay.
and the puzzle game.
How long is this coding class going to be?
For a year.
So you're taking a 1 year class on coding.
Yes.
Okay. And how is the course? Is it? Are you going to the class or somebody coming to you?
No.
Then?
It's entirely based on like Zoom.
It's based online. So Avanti has to see that you used to watch a teacher on the television, on your 65-inch television, and there were more than 40 students attending the class. What about coding?
No, in this class, one teacher is entirely dedicated to me.
One teacher to you?
Yes.
Okay. So you have one-to-one coaching like private tuitions?
Yes.
Okay. And you're enjoying that coaching?
Yes. Lot.
And what happens after that class? Suppose you are doing the assignment, if you have any problem, what do you do?
So I call the teacher,
Okay.
and she on the website sends me how to do it.
Okay. And where do you attend this lecture? On your mobile or
On a laptop.
On your laptop.
Yes. I
So-
share my screen with her, so she can see entire thing which I am doing.
So your screen is shared with your teacher.
Yes.
Where is the teacher from?
Bangalore.
Oh, she's in Bangalore and you are learning coding from a teacher there. Lovely. What do you look forward to in coding? What will you be able to do once you finish your coding class?
I love technology from the beginning.
Okay.
So from first standard to now, we were writing on notebooks.
Okay.
But now I am doing something which is entirely different.
Mm-hmm.
I'm doing all the things on computer. I'm
Okay.
learning the computer language. Like if I'm talking to you,
Uh-huh.
I say, can you please pass the bottle to me? So you understand the language, but I'm learning computer language. How to tell the computer the same thing?
Okay.
So you have to be very precise. Use your left hand, pick
Okay.
up the bottle at 90 degrees, open the cap.
Okay. Step by step.
Yes,
That's
all those
coding. Okay.
functions.
I also see a lot of time you're on the laptop typing a lot of things. What are you typing?
like I told you, I missed my 10th standard.
Okay.
So I'm writing all the memories which I remember
Okay.
from first to now. I'm writing all.
From the beginning of memories.
Yes.
How many pages have you penned now?
I have written 31,000 words.
31,000 pages of information Shalton has already penned down of his life. What all he remembers. That's lovely, Shalton. Very lovely. Okay. Apart from coding, is there any other course that you're pursuing?
Yes, I am doing ethical hacking.
You're doing a course on ethical hacking. Okay, that's also very on the computer.
Yes,
Okay.
and then I'm preparing for an exam called IELTS and also TOEFL.
IELTS and TOEFL. Okay, both are English language exams. So you're preparing for both those exams.
Yes.
Okay. So if I put down you watch movies, you are on your mobile, while you're on your mobile, you are browsing to the books to find out what stream to take up, and you also took up some courses. Okay, what else? Only that can be the case to me. You're very busy, right? You didn't have time for yourself.
And the rest of the time I just slept away.
You slept away.
And I did exercises.
Oh, you're exercising. Okay, where were you going for this? Which gym did you go for?
No, I did not go to the gym. You installed a pull-up bar in my house.
Okay,
So I'm doing push-ups and pull-ups.
okay,
My goal is to increase my height, but I don't want to sacrifice muscle power.
okay.
So I'm doing those exercises which will increase my muscle power, but will not affect my height in any way.
Okay, so have you increased your height?
Yes.
And muscles?
Yes.
Quite a lot?
Yes.
Okay, so you have developed your muscles, you have also increased your height in the vacation. I remember you telling me one day, Papa, इस तरह lockdown रहेगा तो मैं घर के अंदर बड़ा हो जाऊंगा.
I'll have a grown mustache by the end of the lockdown.
So when did you have a haircut, Shalton?
Today.
Today, after 4 long months.
Yes.
Yes, I used to see you with carrying a hanging garden on your head.
Yes.
So where did you do your haircut?
We called the barber
Where you called the barber?
at my house.
At your house. Okay. So Shalton did a haircut in preparation for results for tomorrow, right?
Yes.
So tomorrow is the result and Shalton decided to have his haircut today and look clean and prepare himself in all ways for the results. Okay, Shalton. That's lovely. So Shalton, my first question was, what did you miss? My second question was, how did you spend your vacation fruitfully? I am seeing that you spent your vacation very fruitfully. My third question to you is, what are your future plans? What do you look forward to? Immediate plans.
I really look forward to the 11th grade life.
Okay.
Like SKC is not a school, it's a lifestyle.
Okay.
So I miss the 11th lifestyle.
So you're looking forward to take up C11.
Yes.
Which stream do you intend to pursue?
Science.
In science. Okay. I saw that you were not interested in biology at all. In fact, you hated biology to a large extent. Your nieces, your cousins, my nieces
Yes,
are pursuing medicine, and you said no, Papa. But lately, I'm seeing you with the biology books a lot.
Okay, so the 10th grade biology, you have to actually learn all the answers, the brief answers. But the biology, which is important, like for the NEET exams, it is to like learn the body and choose the correct.
So
that is more appealing to me.
So you're also considering NEET by any chance?
Oh yes.
So you're also looking at preparing yourself for NEET. That's one of the options. Or
Yes.
that's the only option.
No, that's one of the options.
One of the options. Okay. Now with all these things written on in a diary, can you tell the audience, most of them would be from your batch, 17 lakh students who appeared 10, and 55 of them from your classmates from your school.
Yes.
And another 7,000 from Vasai Virar Bed.
Yes.
Very many of them would be watching this video. So would you tell those students, your classmates, one by one about different subjects about in 11th standard of 2 streams?
Yes.
And how many of them are from the 10th standard link?
Yes. So
Let's go. You can refer to the book. No problem.
So first of all, I want to say whatever you're taking science or commerce, 50% topics are in 10th grade. So some topics which came in 10th grade are also in 11th, but it is a continuation.
Okay, so you mean 11th standard, what are topics are there in your 10th standard? So the continuation of that, extension of 10th standard. Okay.
Yes.
Is it in science and commerce or only science?
Yes, science and commerce.
And commerce, okay. Okay. Shalton, I want you to guide your fellow mates, your fellow classmates and your schoolmates about the research that you've done. You spent a lot of time in going through the books
Yes.
and you went through a whole lot of books.
Yes.
I provided you with the textbooks, the Avanti notes, the Connaissance notes, notes from GM, and I gave you NEET preparation books, I gave you JW preparation books, I gave commerce books and commerce notes. After doing all that, you did some noting.
Yes.
So I want you to tell your fellow mates what are your learnings, what did you find out. So let's start with math.
Yes. So according to my research, the maths in science and the maths in arts are completely same.
Okay.
Now let's come to commerce. In commerce maths part 1, there are 9 chapters, out of which 2 are in science part 1 and 7 is in science part 2.
So out of 9 chapters of math, they are same as the science chapters. That means if I take up math in commerce or science, math 1, I have to study the same. Okay.
Yes. Now in commerce maths part 2,
Hmm.
there are again 9 chapters,
Okay.
out of which 2 are in science part 1 and only 1 is in science part 2. The rest 6 chapters are not in science stream.
So in the commerce math 2, there are 6 chapters which are unique to commerce
Yes.
and they aren't part of science.
No.
Oh, so if you do maths 2, commerce, you have to learn 6 chapters which are not part of science stream. Can you name those 6 chapters?
Yes. There is screwness, symmetry, Braveret frequency distribution, correlation.
Okay, these are not part of the science stream. Okay.
Yes.
Can you come to the science maths this thing?
Yes. In science maths 1, there are 9 chapters, out of which 2 are in commerce part 1 and again 2 is in commerce part 2 and 5 chapters are not in commerce.
Okay, out of the science 9 chapters, 4 are in commerce, 5 are not there from the part 1 of science.
Yes.
Okay, what about part 2? Maths?
In science maths part 2, there are 9 chapters, out of which 7 are in commerce part 1 and 1 is in commerce part 2 and only 1 is not in commerce.
Okay, so that means a lot of science math 2 is in commerce
Yes.
and part 1 lot is not there in commerce.
Yes.
And in commerce math 2 lot is not there, math 1 is entirely there.
Yes.
Okay. Is the depth of the topic same? Suppose I have a topic of science and in commerce, is the depth same?
Oh, no, there is difference.
There's difference in depth?
In some chapters it is same, but is in some in the science one it is stretched a little bit.
How do you know that? How did you find out that?
I went to the pages. I read it.
Okay.
There is a difference.
So that means science has a more in-depth
Yes,
of the
yes.
topic, same
Yes,
topic.
yes.
So even the topic is common to science and commerce,
Yes.
you mean in science it is more
Yes.
in-depth.
Yes.
Okay. What are other subjects?
Okay. In other subjects like physics, there are again 14 chapters.
This is 11th standard.
Yes, 11th standard.
Okay.
There are 14 chapters, out of which 6 we have studied in 10th grade.
Fully studied or what is it?
It is there in 10th grade.
Connectivity is there.
Yes.
So you have heard of the topic, 6 of them.
Yes.
Out of 17 you mean?
Of 14.
14, 6 you have heard. And remaining 8?
No.
They're all new.
New.
Okay. What are the 6 that you have heard in 9th? In your 10th standard?
Units and measurement,
Unit and measurement is in 10th standard, correct?
laws of motion,
Correct.
gravitation,
Correct.
thermal properties matter,
Correct.
optics.
These are all part of the 10th, already there, they already learned. Okay.
Yes. Let's come to economics. In economics, there are again 11 chapters, out of which 5 we have studied
Okay.
in 10th grade. Then there is chemistry.
So even in economics,
Yes.
you come back to economics. You say there are 11 chapters and 5 you already studied.
Yes.
So why did you suddenly shift to commerce subject economics from your while talking about physics?
Because we can not take biology and maths, but take economics as a subject if we want to.
In science.
Yes.
So economics can be taken in commerce as well as science. This is your okay. That means this is a message to the students. Economics is not only a commerce subject. Even science students can avail economics.
Yes.
In place of
They can leave bio or maths.
okay, in place of bio or math you can take economics. Okay.
Now let's come to chemistry.
Okay.
There are 16 chapters in chemistry, out of which 5 are in 10th grade.
5 have connection with 10th
Yes.
and 11 do not have connection. Okay.
Then there is biology.
Okay.
There are again 16 chapters,
Okay.
out of which 7 have connection with 10th.
See, that means Charlton research tells lot many topics of 11th standard do have their connection with 10th standard. If your 10th standard foundation is good, you'll find 11th standard simple and easy. Correct?
Yes.
Lovely, lovely.
Then there is the commerce subjects like secretarial practice and bookkeeping and accountancy.
Okay.
There is no connection with 10th grade.
Okay, so totally new topics.
So they are management subjects, which is
Okay.
not my cup of tea.
Okay.
Then there is computer science and information technology, IT,
Okay.
which I might take.
You might take. Okay, computer science you can take, but you cannot take biology and computer science together, right?
Yes.
You should opt between one.
Yes.
Okay, okay. So good research has been done from Charlton's side. If any of you students require this kind of help in finding out your subjects, it is not only choosing your stream, it's finding out your subjects. What subjects can you take? For example, if you take 10, 11 science, you can, and you are aiming at engineering. That means you must focus on physics, chemistry and maths. You can leave biology and take CS1 and CS2, 200 marks. So you will have English, physics, chemistry, math, and you will have CS1, CS2. In place of Hindi Marathi, you wouldn't have Hindi Marathi, you wouldn't have biology. You have computer science 1, computer science 2. Scoring. And so that you can focus fully on PCM. Whereas if you are a NEET candidate and you want to appear PCB,
Yes.
you can just drop math and take either economics or psychology, right? Or even geography for that matter,
Yes.
right? And this kind of inputs SKC can provide to you. If you're not if you're a person who doesn't like languages and want to drop Hindi and Marathi, in fact you must drop Hindi and Marathi because IT is fully scoring.
Yes.
So you are a NEET candidate or a JEE candidate, you must choose IT
Yes.
because IT is scoring 20 marks as internal marks and 80 marks again online exam will be conducted in the college. Right?
Yes.
So what about commerce? In commerce also you can take IT, right?
Yes.
We at SKC assure you that we will help you out in choosing your subjects along with choosing your stream. Okay, let me come to the next question, Simon. My next question is about your future plans. What are your immediate future plans?
I'm taking science,
Okay,
so I'm missing the 11th atmosphere.
okay. I just asked you this question, right? Okay, that's how you had made that face. And you'll still continue your coding class
Yes, I'll still continue.
throughout 11th standard?
Yes, because coding is no ordinary subject.
Hmm.
It can be followed as a passion too.
Okay,
So we after 1 year I'm going to learn space tech.
okay,
If I complete some things in a short amount of time, students can visit Silicon Valley.
okay. Do you know anybody in Silicon Valley?
I know, no, I don't know anybody, but there are many intellectual people, entrepreneurs.
Okay,
You will have.
okay. I remember one cousin who has assured you that he will take you to Silicon Valley long ago. No?
No.
No? Okay. Let me come to the next set of questions, Charlton.
Yes.
I asked you about these last four months. What did you do? What did you miss? What did you do? What are your plans? What stream did you take? What is the research? In your research, I also saw you spending some time in stories.
Yes.
I saw in the notes. What is it? Tell me.
So I have read this book called Sam Cawthon,
Sam Cawthon, you read that book. Yeah, that is about story
showing.
showing. Okay, what is the
There
difference?
are many storytellers in the world, but there are very few story showers in the world.
Okay, so you read about Sam Cawthon, what is story showing?
Yes.
What are you?
I was a storyteller,
Okay,
but after reading the book,
okay.
after practicing some time, I'm making my steps to becoming a story shower.
Okay, it's only the seeing the book or also you
You have to practice.
Okay, and did you see any videos of Sam Cawthon?
Yes.
How many videos did you see?
10, 15.
10, 15 Sam Cawthon.
Yes.
Okay, so now where do you source your stories from?
I'm reading lots of storybooks. They are very
Okay.
exciting.
Okay.
So what I am doing is that I am reading the storybook, taking the story, and from the Sam Cawthon book, I am learning how to show that story.
Okay, so where will you show that story?
So I am making my YouTube channel, Charlton Stand, the story shower,
Okay,
and I'll be posting videos on it.
okay,
Each story will be one video for each story.
okay. In fact, this was my dream. I was talking to many of my ex-students earlier. I was telling them to start a channel and post on YouTube so that our students can benefit through Monday Munch. Ultimately, Charlton is the one who said, "Papa, I will do it for you."
Yes.
and he's doing quite a good job. The channel is already under preparation, under building, under construction, and soon will come up with a lot of stories, right?
Yes.
Okay. Shravan, let's go back to your 10th standard. Post your 9th standard examinations.
Yes.
What happened? So I'm going to pose questions what happened in the last 12 months after his 9th final exams till the last paper of his 10th standard, what happened? So Shalton, how grilling, how was your 10th standard life different from your any other year?
It was very different.
Okay?
So till 10th grade I was like, हाँ, अभी 10th करेंगे, I'll be learning something. So I was very excited.
Okay.
But then that excitement dropped down
Okay.
because it was a very hard time.
It was a hard time, okay?
Yes, so we had DSD, we had all that extra activities. So I think I've done more activities in 10th than actually.
Oh, I normally students in 10th standard they do not take part. The thumb rule, don't take part in activities, focus on your studies.
Yes.
But I saw you,
I took part in every activity.
okay?
I took part in DSD.
DSD, did you take part or you also did something more with this year?
This year I made my own group, so everyone was like, why? क्यों करना है DSD? मैं captain नहीं बन रहा. So I became the captain and I formed my group. And
Was it the same in 9th standard? Did you anytime make a group before your 10th standard?
yes, I was part of a group.
Part of a group. But in 10th you were leading the group.
Yes.
Okay, so Shalton was leading a DSD group which had about 6 levels of performances. Right through from July till the last performance was in January, right? Till January you had a DSD.
Yes.
And you were practicing with their students.
Yes.
And what were your group members also from 10th standard?
They were from 10th and 9th.
Okay. Did your classmates were all through with you saying yes we will?
No.
What happened?
They were like, we don't want to do, we have to study, but in fact they were not studying.
Okay.
They just needed an excuse.
Okay.
But I said no, come to DSD. So the time you are wasting, instead of that, do dance.
Okay. So you mean there were students who were not, you're wasting your time, but you, that time which was idling away, you focused on DSD.
Yes.
Which was only DSD in the year? Or any other activity?
There were lots of activities. There was Art Expo.
You took part in Art Expo?
Yes.
How many images or how many paintings did you?
Oh, 3, 4.
4 paintings.
Yes.
Out of which how many went to the?
2.
2 of them went to the expo
Yes.
at Hotel Kohinoor.
Yes.
Okay. Did you visit the Kohinoor hotel this time?
Yes.
Did you get anything there?
Yes.
What did you?
We got medals. We
Okay.
got money.
So in 10th standard, also
Yes.
you got medals and
Yes,
certificates.
yes.
Okay. And 2 of your paintings were there at the Art Expo. So one was DSD, one was Art Expo. What other activities did you participate?
I still remember we had expressions
Okay.
at December.
Okay.
So we remember coming in the morning, doing that expressions, then coming, changing our clothes, and then writing our chapter-wise exams.
Okay. So you also took part in expressions?
Yes.
Head on.
Yes.
How many activities did you participate?
All 6 nights which were given was 6.
6. And you participated in all the 6.
Yes.
Which are they? Can you remember any?
It was fashion show.
I saw you walking in the fashion show.
There were do it dance,
Okay.
handwriting,
Okay.
elocution,
Okay.
essay,
Essay.
and
Duet dance. Whom did you dance with?
Anupam.
With Anupam. Okay. And what about your that now walking with Anupam is I know Anupam is your buddy in dance,
Yes.
but in your other one, the ramp walk,
There were lots of girls.
you couldn't walk with a boy.
Yes.
Okay. So whom did you walk with?
My classmate.
You don't remember them,
No.
or you don't want to name them?
No, I don't remember them.
Okay. You don't remember them,
Yes.
or you don't want to remember them.
I don't remember them.
Oh, that is a very clever way of putting before his father. Okay, so this shows that Shalton was very active in 10th standard in co-curricular activities. He took part in DSD. He led a team, in fact, for 6 levels till January. He submitted his paintings at the Art Expo. He did not go back. He didn't have parents who would say 10th standard hai to activities se part mat lena. So he head on went into Art Expo.
Can I add something?
Yeah, tell me.
We even had a stall the next day after all the expressions.
Okay, so you had expression 6 activities. Then you had where was the stall?
Outside
What?
in the garden.
For what stall was it?
It was a food stall, caramel custard, and in spite we were in 10th, we earned the most amount of money. We even earned more than college students.
Okay.
So we're the highest earning
So,
stall.
so you put all your energy there, and you could also get the experience of being an entrepreneur by saying, what was your product in the stall?
Caramel custard.
Caramel custard. That is also your favorite, right?
Yes.
How many students got together to put up this stall?
6.
6 of you.
Yes.
Can you name them? Do you remember
Yes,
them?
me,
Hmm.
Megha,
Okay.
Satyam,
Okay.
Manya,
Okay.
and I even took those 2 girls for the attraction purpose.
Which two girls?
The
Small ones.
yes, in
Okay.
Kashish group.
Okay, so you took 2 of them to attract crowd, so that
Yes.
they buy.
Yes.
Oh, you actually used them cleverly.
So our timetable was coming in the morning, giving 2 exams.
Okay.
Now, then coming down, attend the carnival meeting.
हाँ.
कॉल दैट ग्रुप मेंबर सके अच्छा तू इसमें है तो तू चले जा हाँ तू डांस में अच्छा रुक चल ऊपर चल कॉस्ट्यूम बदली करते हैं
So your study blend with activities
yes
throughout the year.
those were the most fun times.
Fun times. Do you miss them?
Yes.
You want them back?
Yes.
I remember you telling me, Papa, I want my 10th standard again.
Yes.
10th standard days again, or you want to go back to 10th standard?
With the same students, I would love to go to
10th standard. Okay, same set of students.
Yes.
So you have lovely friends made at SKC.
Yes, yes.
Okay. So Shalton, I'm coming to after your 9th standard,
Mm.
when we started with your 10th standard in March
Mm.
19, correct? Preparation. So what was different from March 19 compared to any other year?
Yeah.
What was different?
The teachers were same, but the lifestyle, but the attitude had completely changed.
What was the attitude?
It was a very rigorous army attitude.
Rigorous army attitude, okay.
Yes.
So,
So we used to study 16 hours per day. Like first in 8 to 8, 12 hours I used to study. Then again after coming back 4 hours revision because it was necessary to do that revision. If you don't do the revision, the next day it would be trouble.
okay, I know Shalton used to put in 4 hours of study time at home every day. Okay, plus he was in 8 to 8 for 12 hours. So out of 12 hours, at least 8 hours was study time.
Yes.
Okay, how was the syllabus? How was it flowing?
It was going very fast. It ended it was entirely complete till September.
Till September, syllabus was done.
Yes.
And what about the revision?
October revision and after that whole chapter wise tests.
Okay, so you had chapter wise test right from October.
Yes.
Okay, what is chapter wise test, Shalton?
The chapter wise test is like you take each chapter and make a 20 marks question paper of it.
Okay.
And then you give it.
So what was the target in the chapter wise test?
You have to score at least 18 marks. If you don't score, then you have to give the paper again.
Oh, that was for you, 18 marks, because you
Yes,
had told me your target is 90%.
Yes. So the teachers asked every student what is your individual target, and to the target you have to give the exam. Like some were 60, so they had only given 12 marks.
Okay.
It was 80, 15 marks.
You told me that you wanted 90.
Yes.
And I remember even after going home I should make him write the papers again.
Yes.
Okay.
So he used to take me to after January. He used to take me to Kalyan, Pune, Navi Mumbai. There were a whole set of moderators
Why did you go to Kalyan, Navi Mumbai and Pune?
to meet the moderators.
Okay. How many moderators did you meet?
There were like 16 moderators.
You met 16 moderators. Okay.
2 of us even came to our school.
Okay. So I remember driving with Shalton for 4 times to Pune, staying in Pune, and him meeting moderators
Yes.
and getting grilling sessions from them.
Yes.
And so Shalton got individual one-to-one guidance from moderators, 16 of them, right?
Yes.
Who are the 2 teachers who came here?
There was Augustine sir,
Augustine sir for which subject?
maths.
Okay.
For 8 to 8, he used to come Monday, Wednesday, Friday.
Okay.
Then again for global and I used to come at Saturday.
Okay.
And then for again personally, he used to take classes.
For you.
Yes.
So you had to face him 3 times a week in 8 to 8, 1 time with the I,
Saturday.
and plus private tuitions for you.
So almost 5 days a week.
He was with you.
Yes.
And what about other subjects and anybody else?
Then there was our SKC parent Modelier sir.
His daughter is now in child is in tension and now. Okay.
So he really helped. Like he came for our science
Okay.
paper for both science 1 and 2. all of us came and he gave the
Right.
importance which was
Guidance
Then
lectures. Okay.
again he helped me also.
He helped you personally.
Yes.
Okay. Shalton, how was life like other than your activities? How was your life in 10th standard?
So although it was very hard, but the only thing which helped me was 8 to 8.
Okay.
So the way 8 to 8 helped me was, it was not only I was facing it. There were 5 other students with me. So
Okay.
that used to make me happy.
So you enjoyed your 8 to 8 life?
Yes, very much.
Okay. How did 8 to 8 help you?
Like we after the studies we used to joke together, so we used to play together. We
Okay.
made sure that we played 1 hour every day after
Okay.
tuitions.
Okay.
If it wasn't for 8 to 8, I wouldn't be looking for the results so happily.
Okay, let me catch him there. He says if it was not for 8 to 8 lifestyle, he wouldn't be looking forward to the results so very eagerly and so very happily. So, what is your expectation tomorrow in the results?
Wait till 1 o'clock.
No, still we would like to know. उम्मीद क्या उम्मीद है कितना मिलेगा percentage? Or what about the school? What rank would you be?
I'd be the highest in the school.
Oh, that's high level of confidence.
Not only I'll be the highest in the school, I'll be also the highest in few other schools.
Among few other schools.
Yes.
You're confident about it.
Yes.
Okay, and you say that 8 to 8 because of 8 to you it all to 8
Yes,
to 8.
because all 6-7 of us have faced this lifestyle, so we have it is.
So all 6 of them should come highest, right? How would you say that you would be highest?
I believe in myself.
Okay, I love this confidence because I remember when Shalton was in grade 4 and he participated in the All India Brain Cafe contest, budding scientist contest. He passed through the state level, the zonal level, and finally reached the national level contest, where students from all over the country were there in the final, grand finale. And in the morning when his table was set up, there was a call from Mr. Raut, that is our campus head's husband of a campus head, to wish him all the best. Do you remember what he told him?
Yes. Party तैयार रखना मेरे लिए.
Party तैयार रखना. In the morning before the contest, party तैयार रखना. Why? What?
Because I believed that I would win.
I remember he told one more sentence, 5 lakh लेके आ रहा हूँ. So Shalton was very confident at that time that he would become the national topper and bag the 5 lakhs. And again today he says that he is going to be the topper in the school and top among other schools.
Yes.
I love that confidence. I keep my fingers crossed about the results. I believe him, but I love the confidence that he has got. And he owes it all to 8 to 8.
Yes.
Let me tell you what is 8 to 8 to other students who do not know. 8 to 8 is a lifestyle where students come in the morning at 8 o'clock to school and they are in the campus till evening 8 o'clock. They reach to school at 8 o'clock and they reach back home at 8 p.m. And what is included here is the school, the tuitions, the all-day meals, breakfast, lunch, evening snacks, and lot of activities. But in 10th standard, it's really grilling. And being my son, he had his own set of rigors because even after the students left at 7:15, he would be here. What time were you here in the campus every day?
It depends. If it was normal, then 10 o'clock.
Okay.
If there was events like Ganpati and graduation, then 12 o'clock. If it was events like Victory Meet, then it will be 2 o'clock.
Okay, but that was, your teachers are busy. What were you doing?
I used to study.
Okay. Shalton was antechamber learning and doing all his writing work. I remember he hated me for this.
Yes.
You still hate me for that, for making you write all those things.
Like I told you, because of quarantine, I have all the rest in the world right now.
You're all the rest in the world. Lovely. Okay. Shalton, what did you focus on? What type of books did you read? Did you read the guide or the 21 or what?
No, my entire focus was on the textbook.
On the textbook only, 10th standard, okay? So all the questions, you prepared only the textual questions?
Yes.
Okay, so Shalton says he prepared only the 10th standard textbooks, he focused on them.
Yes,
Okay.
if you only focus on textbooks, it will be very great.
Okay, so most of the questions, all of them were from the textbooks?
Yes.
How did you find the exams?
It was easy, specifically because of it again.
Okay, paper was easy.
Yes.
Okay. You went to Pune to meet different moderators. What program was it?
They used to check my papers.
So what was the brand that you had enrolled with?
Superminds.
Superminds. What is Superminds?
It is a education based.
So So what do you do there?
So they used to give me practice papers.
Okay, board-based papers.
Yes.
Okay.
Like exactly, it used to come at the format used to come like the board papers.
Okay.
So I used to give them, and
Okay.
they used to.
So format means there was a barcode.
Yes. So I would like to quote something.
Yeah.
एग्जाम के लिए पढ़ने से पहले एग्जाम को पढ़ो.
Exam ko padho. That means how to give exams.
Yes.
Okay, so you mean how to present yourself is important?
Yes.
You learn that?
Yes, that was the major things. Lot of people like they know excellent answers. They have learned all of it, but again it comes to the way you format.
And this is what you learned in Supermans.
Yes.
So Shalton learned his subject matter till December. After January, he focused on presentation, how to present this paper to the this thing. And were they really different from what you learned all those months?
Yes.
The style of presentation?
Yes. Yes.
The Superman taught you that? Moderators taught you?
Yes.
Okay, lovely. Did you also change your handwriting?
Yes. I was actually preparing from 10th for the handwriting since 8th.
8th, okay.
So-
So you had a better handwriting, you practiced and you
Yes.
developed better handwriting.
Yes.
Okay. Sheldon, what is your message to the 9th standard students who are now in 9th, finished 9th and they now come to 10th, this batch of students? What is the message for them?
My message is like you have all the time in the world, even if you like study for only 4 hours a day
At home.
at home from beginning of quarantine, you will be great.
Okay.
And again, at the end of it all comes to persistence. The 3 P's: persistence, persistence, persistence. Persistence pays.
So students must persist and learn every day.
Yes.
Okay, and not at the end of the year. Okay, certain I had prepared a few type of questions. Let me go through it. I asked you about what type of preparation you had. You said your teachers finished your syllabus by September, and revision was done by October, and you had a lot of paper writing, chapter-wise test. Each chapter, how many times did you write?
Each chapter, we used to write the entire, for 8 to 8, we used to write the entire chapter before the test.
You should write the entire chapter for the
Entire
test.
chapter.
By heart.
Yes, learning. Not even the chapter, the backside questions, even the solved examples we have to write.
Okay. What about math? How many times did you solve the entire textbook?
Each chapter at least 2 times.
Each chapter 2 times through and through.
Yes.
So the exercise problems or
Whole exercise problems, solved examples.
you did it twice,
Yes.
all the chapters.
Yes.
Okay. And then you put yourself after January on paper writing skills and meeting moderators, and you owe it to 8 to 8, you owe it to Augustin sir, Mudaliar sir, and the 16 moderators who we met.
That too we used to do in one day. Less than a day, like you used to tell us in the evening. Then we used to come back in the morning. हो गया. Until we don't show the chapter to the teacher and she signs it. Like even if one question is remaining, we don't have the permission to give the paper.
Okay. I remember when he was preparing for Brain Cafe contest in 4th standard, I used to keep him up till 2 o'clock in the midnight, where I used to prepare him because there were 2 types of people who were training him. One was the subject matter experts. There were 5 coaches who were subject matter experts. We call them SME. And then we have second part were presentation experts. So 2 teams. Those people are not available during the daytime. They used to call him in the night. I remember Willie Uncle's mother called me once at night, 1 to 1:30. And Shalton as a 4th standard child was awake. And the same Shalton I could see, when Shalton decides, he does it. So when I used to go to Pune, I used to drive down in the night and Shalton was there with me, talking to me till he went to sleep, dozed off, and had 5-hour nap there in Pune in the hotel room. And early morning, used to meet the moderators.
Yes.
And used to prepare himself how to present. So all these things, he also owes it to Superminds. And his message to the 9th standard students is, learn from the textbook, prepare your textual questions, focus on them, and persistence pays. Would you like to say prepare instead of persist?
Yes, prepare.
Okay.
And don't run behind which is digest, target. That
Okay.
all people waste their time in deciding which to like. So digest किया, अरे तो
Okay.
digest किया, master की देना चाहिए था. Then target.
So you focused on textbooks.
Yes.
Okay. Well, that was Shalton before you on the eve of the results, telling you the mood before the results. So Shardan is happy. He's throwing a challenge to me and tells me that I'll be proud of him tomorrow at 1 o'clock. Right? This video will be seen by me not only tomorrow before and seen by all others, but tomorrow 1 p.m. But Shardan, I will be personally seeing this video for many years to come.
Yes.
Because this will be there on the air, on the cloud,
YouTube.
on the YouTube. Okay. Is there any other message to your fellow your classmates, 65 of them?
We really enjoyed a lot.
Yeah.
And I don't know if this time will ever come again.
Yeah.
But we had a golden time. Yes.
Golden time in
Golden
10th standard.
Yes.
Okay. And you feel you're already set to start your 11th standard?
Yes.
Enough prepared?
Yes, yes.
So you're going to learn coding, you're going to do your story channel, YouTube channel, you're going to do your science studies, and as well, maybe prepare for NEET as well.
Yes.
Lovely, that's a lot of energy required.
Yes. Like, if you're sitting at home, you cannot do it. But if you come to school, the
Okay.
school gives you power.
Okay. And what about all these days? Did you venture out of house any given day in the last 130 days? Did you go out of your house?
No.
Not at all. For food?
No.
So you and what about your food?
Mummy used to make it.
All the food.
Yes.
Okay. Did you help your mommy in anything at home?
Yes, I used to put the Bisleri bottle upside down.
Okay. Putting Bisleri bottles. I also saw you helping mommy with utensils and the bed sheets.
One few time.
Okay, lovely. That's very humble of you. So that was Shardan for you, giving his, I mean, from his heart, Dil se, sharing his experiences of 10th standard, sharing his experiences of his lockdown time, and what he's going to do, what research he has done. Look forward to the results at 1 p.m. tomorrow. All the best to every child who is eagerly awaiting his results for the last 4 months. Let's vote together in our style to SKC Pranam. Come on. SKC Pranam.